On fireworks.
By the way, I hate the noise.
Oh God. But make sure it doesn't fall off or something.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh. Oh my God.
My dad.
Happy 4th of July.
It's not 4th of July yet. Shh.
Okay. We'll do it in a little bit. That's the first round.
That's the first round. Talking to Lauren, you guys. Here, hold on.
Daddy, no shit.
Wait, hold on, say it again.
Save it.
Hey guys.
I heard her. Hi.
Video.
Yeah, it is. It's Lauren.
Hi, Lauren.
They said, she said.
Hi.
Did you show your dad the photo shoot?
Oh,
I showed
no,
him.
yeah.
Get out of there, Tilly, before you burn your nose, you Nimrod.
Aw, that's me.
We'll show you.